In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the MQL5 Wizard to build an EA without coding. By the end, you'll have a working expert advisor created entirely through the built-in wizard, no manual programming required. Start inside MetaTrader 5. Press the F4 key to open MetaEditor. This is the development environment that ships with MT5, and it's where the wizard lives. Once MetaEditor is open, go to File, then New, or simply press Ctrl+N. That brings up the MQL5 Wizard window. Here, you'll see several project types. Choose Expert Advisor, the option labeled Generate, not Template. The Generate option is the no-code path that assembles logic for you. Click Next, Next to continue. Now enter your EA's information. Give it a clear name you'll recognize later, for example, My First Wizard EA. You can add an author name and an optional link if you want, but avoid personal or sensitive details. Click Next. This next section is where you define your trading logic using signal modules. Think of modules as building blocks that tell the EA when to open and close trades based on indicators. To add one, select Moving Average and click Add. You'll see it appear in the selected list, meaning it's now part of your strategy. Configure the parameters for the signal. Set the indicator settings such as period and applied price to match how you want the moving average to behave. You can also tune signal strength to influence how strongly the indicator must agree before acting and adjust open and close thresholds to control when trades are triggered or exited. Smaller thresholds can make the EA more sensitive. Larger thresholds can filter out noise. When you're satisfied, click Next. Next comes money management. This determines position sizing. For beginners, choose Fixed Lot, which keeps things simple and predictable. A typical starter value is 0.01 lots, but pick a size appropriate for your account and risk tolerance. Click Next. You'll now see a summary of your EA. Review the signals, risk settings, and trade management details carefully to make sure everything matches your intent. If it looks good, click Finish. MetaEditor will automatically generate a file named My First Wizard MQ5 with full source code. You don't need to write anything manually. To make it usable, compile the EA by pressing F7 or clicking Compile. A successful build will show 0 errors, 0 warnings. Return to MetaTrader 5, open the Navigator panel, and expand Expert Advisors. You should now see your new EA. Drag it onto a chart, enable Allow Algo Trading in the Settings window, and click OK. Your no-code EA is now attached and ready to operate on that chart.